Hey guys, today's video is about meal planning. I'll show you how I do my meal planning for 1 month. You can adapt this for 1 week, 2 weeks, or however you like. Some of the benefits of meal planning: it will save you time, will save you money, it will create healthy habits for your family, it will reduce waste of food, and it will eliminate stress of indecision before meal time. What should I cook? So if you're interested in this topic, please continue to watch this video and we will get started. With meal plan written ahead, you will know exactly what to cook and you don't have to stress out every day before dinner time and figure out what to cook. It will save you a lot of time at the checkout at your local grocery store because you already will have a plan and know what to buy. It will create healthier habits for your family because you will have a plan ahead and you don't have to pull that bag of frozen chicken nuggets because it's too stressful or you don't have time today to figure out what's for dinner. To start, you can plan 1 week ahead, and once you advance, you can start planning entire months. All right, let's get started. Let's get that calendar. So this is how it looks like. This is just a wall board calendar, and I keep entire months. You can see all the things here. And I use this pen to write or erase with these little things. I did decorate it this month. I mean, it's not necessary, so let's pull those magnets, grab it from the wall, and we'll just need a piece of paper to clean that up. So we'll be planning December. This is for November. I think last month I actually forgot to write the months, but we'll get that change. So let me flip the camera and we'll get started. All right, to start, we'll be erasing last month's meals. I'm probably gonna take those decorated stickers out because it will be winter and Halloween and fall decoration is not actually fit into December. So let's see if I can take those out. Perfect. Spider, and I had all this winter decorations. I'm sorry, the fall decorations. Thinking about winter. All right, so what I do is just the marker. You can probably use this, but since I have a lot of written on, I just use paper towel and I just wipe it like this. And little things that still left on the board, I'll just clean with the this pen eraser right here. So I'll just go one more time, make sure it's nice and clean, and wipe one more time. All right, so now we have a blank slate. Looks like this. Let's see if I can. So it looks like this, and it's perfect for the meal planning. Let's see. You can use different, you can write it, you can use digital format. I like it in my kitchen because every time I would go and I need to see what I need to cook, I can look at the on a wall and I see what's for dinner. So to start, we want to write a month. So that will be December. And I have pre-written year, but you know, the year is not necessary. So I have already pre-written day of the week. So I'll just have to look what December 1st will be. And I believe that is, let's see, so it's Tuesday, so we'll put 1 right here, and I'll put 29 and 30th for Sunday and Monday, because my months, if you can see, starting with Sundays. And I'll just go over. So I'll just go over all the days and the months and just handwrite them. So at the end you will get something like this. So you'll have your months, your dates, and if you're already using pre-written days, that's fine, you can skip this step. And then so I'll start to fill all these days, and I'll kind of see what I want to cook each day. And I'll show you next step how you can fill all these dates. Alright, so the next step is you actually need to go to your freezer and fridge and see what actually you do have and what you need to buy. I would start with what you already have in a fridge and put inventory list. If you eat meat, you can put separate meat and side dishes. For dinner, you can make a list and then come back and see what actually you have, because based on what you have, we can plan your weekly or monthly meals. And then you will see how long it will last you what you have already. And let's say if you're planning for a month and you don't have enough food for a month in your fridge, you can plan what you want or what you need to buy for those weeks that you out of food in your pantry and in your fridge. Alright, so once we did the inventory of our fridge, this is how mine looks. So you can see I separate meat and sides that I can make. I didn't include the veggies, but I usually, if I have something, I just add on, but you can plan complete meal. For example, here I have burger, salmon, cod, nuggets, pizza, and I meant frozen pizza, chicken, and it's by so the numbers here represents per one dinner. And then sides, I have a frozen French fries, rice, pasta. So based on this, I can plan few dinners. You can also plan lunch and a breakfast, but in this case, I'll just show you on a dinner examples, but lunch and breakfast will be similar. So then we see that we have chicken or we have pizza, and pizza and nuggets, it's for days that we either busy or you don't have time to cook. So you just automatically you can put those dinners to those days that you don't have time to cook because you're either working or you're doing some other stuff, which is totally fine. I know I have my Wednesday is my busiest day, so for Wednesday I can put that I'm gonna eat probably frozen pizza, which is once or twice a week. It's fine. So let's see. So here I put that I'm gonna eat pizza for dinner. And then, so if you don't have or you don't have a lot of experience cooking, you can get inspiration either online or I have this book that I will show you in a minute that I keep my recipes, and if let's say I'm not sure what to cook with the chicken I have in my freezer, I open this book. It's just the folder, and I keep all kinds of magazines that I either bought or recipes that I see, and I print it out. So for example, I keep recipes from HelloFresh, something that I bought and I like and I want to repeat this. It's actually upside down, so let's see. So something like that, I just print it out, or it's already came with, like this guy, it's already came from the dinner that I ordered from them, but I kept it because I like this chicken sausage risotto. So okay, I look at the ingredients. If I have all these ingredients, then I can put in my calendar to make the same thing. Or if I want to keep if I want to try chili, already made chili, so I know I need ground pork, all these ingredients. So that's very convenient, either to get inspiration, or if you not really experienced cooking at home, you can either download or look online for recipes like that, and get inspiration from it. So back to the calendar. So I do that planning for a while, so I'm kind of know in my head what I'm gonna cook based on my ingredients. So burgers, I see that I have, so I'm gonna put for Monday I'm gonna put burgers and put French fries as a side. And then for Tuesday, I'm gonna put that I'm gonna make salmon and rice. And see how I didn't put burgers and pizza together. I try to make less healthier food, and then healthier, or less calorie food, just to kind of spread out so you don't eat heavy food a lot of time every day. And then next thing, I'm gonna make soup right here with my chicken. I'll put chicken soup. So I'll have a variety. I don't eat chicken every day in this week, so I'll have plenty of variety here. And then maybe for Friday I'll eat cod with I'll make a pasta cod or something like that. And then for Sunday I'm gonna eat chicken parm sandwich. So if you don't have a lot of variety of meat, for example, you can probably create different dishes. Like you can create soup, or you can create a pasta, or just, you know, fried chicken or chicken sandwich or tacos. So just, you know, make variety. And then for Sunday I'll since it's not a December, it's you know, previous months, I'll say that I'm gonna eat leftovers. But you get an idea. So if you want to plan months, you repeat this step that I show you as an example for just a 1 week. I recommend start with 1 week, and as you get advanced you can probably add extra week, and then you can start planning entire months. As I said, it will help you with your healthier habits. It will save a lot of time and money on your grocery bill, and you will probably be less stressed out right before dinner time on what to cook, and let me pull this frozen chicken and make french fries or something like that. Hopefully this will help you, and if you already meal planning, share your tips on how you do in the comments below. And if you new to this, hopefully this video will help you, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.